The internet has changed the game. It's not enough to just exist online. Businesses need a plan, a digital blueprint. Enter OnPassive. This isn't just another platform. OnPassive is a complete system. It uses the power of artificial intelligence to change how businesses grow online. OnPassive levels the playing field. Small businesses, large corporations, everyone benefits. This is about working smarter, not harder. OnPassive provides the tools, the strategy, and the support to win in the digital world. Forget navigating the complexities of online marketing alone. OnPassive becomes your trusted partner. It's about taking the guesswork out of growth and replacing it with data-driven decisions and automated processes. It's about time businesses had a true partner in the digital space. OnPassive is that partner. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Let's break it down. What makes OnPassive tick? At its core, it's a suite of AI-powered tools, each one designed to tackle a specific challenge businesses face online. Lead generation? OnPassive automates the process, finding and attracting your ideal customers. Customer acquisition? OnPassive streamlines the journey, guiding prospects towards conversion and brand building. OnPassive amplifies your message, ensuring you're seen and heard in a crowded marketplace. But it's not just about individual tools, it's how they work together. Imagine a symphony, each instrument playing its part in perfect harmony. That's OnPassive. A seamless ecosystem where every element contributes to a greater whole. This is about maximizing efficiency and impact. It's about giving businesses the power to do more with less. OnPassive empowers entrepreneurs to focus on what matters: their passion, their product, their people. OnPassive doesn't just hand you tools, it empowers you with strategies. This is about leveraging the latest in AI and digital marketing to achieve exponential growth. Let's dive into some of OnPassive's key plays. Personalization is paramount. OnPassive uses AI to understand your target audience on a granular level. This allows for hyper-targeted campaigns that resonate deeply with potential customers. No more generic messaging. OnPassive ensures you're speaking directly to the people who matter most. Content is king, and OnPassive helps you create content that converts. From AI-powered content generation tools to strategic guidance on content distribution, OnPassive ensures your message reaches the right audience at the right time. And let's not forget the power of community. OnPassive fosters a supportive network of entrepreneurs, all committed to helping each other succeed. This is about collaboration, not competition. OnPassive is more than just a promising concept. It's a proven solution. Businesses of all sizes and industries will be achieving remarkable results with OnPassive. Take, for instance, you could be a struggling e-commerce store that saw a 300% increase in sales within just 9 months of implementing OnPassive. Or maybe you might be a local bakery that expanded its customer base by 200% thanks to OnPassive's targeted marketing campaigns. Could you imagine if they're the norm? Soon, more and more businesses will be experiencing the OnPassive difference. This will soon be about real people achieving real success. OnPassive is leveling the playing field, providing businesses with the tools and strategies they need to thrive in a competitive digital landscape. Section 5. OnPassive. Built for today, prepared for tomorrow. The digital landscape is constantly evolving. What works today might be obsolete tomorrow. That's why OnPassive is built with the future in mind. OnPassive isn't just keeping up with the latest trends in AI and digital marketing. It's setting the pace. From the rise of voice search to the growing importance of video content, OnPassive is ahead of the curve, ensuring its users are always one step ahead. This is about future-proofing your business. It's about partnering with a company that's as invested in your success as you are. OnPassive is more than just a platform. It's a commitment to innovation, growth, and long-term success in the digital age. The future of business is digital. OnPassive is the blueprint. For more information about OnPassive and how to make money online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.